Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Arijit Devna and this is the 10th video on file handling. So in this video we will be learning about remove function. So this remove function is used to remove any file or delete any file. So I will write the syntax here. The syntax is remove, and inside parentheses and double quotes we have to write the file name, that is file name, and done. So this is the syntax. Now I will write a program to show you. So for that, in this practice folder I will create a text document and I will name it as abc.text. Okay, so this is a text document. Now I will try to delete this file. So for that, what I have to do is int status. So inside this status I will store, if the remove function executes, that is the file gets deleted, then the remove function returns 0, and if it is not deleted then the remove function returns -1. So remove, inside double quotes, the file I want to delete is abc.text. So what I have done is I have taken int status. Okay, now status is a variable inside which what the remove function returns will get stored. So if this abc text file gets removed, then it will return 0 value to this status variable, and if the file does not return, or if there is any problem of removing or deleting the file, then remove will return, this function will return -1. So I am printing here so that you can easily understand what the remove function returns. Okay, now after it returns, it should print that file deleted or not deleted. So I will write here some if statement, that if status equals 0, then it will print file deleted. Okay, and else if there is any problem, then it will print error in file deletion. Okay, now I will save it at first. I will save it in desktop practice. Here I will give name program 10. Now I will compile it, run, and see it says 0, file deleted. So 0 is this one, printf %d status. So this remove function has returned 0. So the status has printed 0 first, then it has printed file deleted. So I'm opening the folder. So this is the folder, and here was the file abc.txt which I have saved, and now there is no file, we have deleted it. And after deleting the file, if we again try to run it, then it will return, see it returns -1, because there was a problem in deletion of abc.text file, because there is no abc.text file, it is already deleted. Okay, so now another thing is, if that file is present in another folder, okay, so how can you delete it? Suppose I'm creating here a new folder. I'm naming it as, okay, let's say new folder, and inside the new folder I'm creating a new text document of name abcd.text. Okay, so again this is a text file of name abcd, and it is present inside this new folder. So if you are saving the C program in a folder, and in that particular folder if the program is present, then you don't need to specify the location. You just can type the file name and the file will be deleted. But if it is present in any other folder, then you have to specify the location. So here, as I've given the name as new folder, so here I have to specify the exact path. So here the file name was abcd and the path is new folder slash abcd. So here the name is new folder, so I have given here the new folder name and then abcd.txt. That is, this abcd text file is present inside this new folder. So now I will compile it and run it, and it says file deleted and it has returned 0. I'm opening the folder again. So inside the new folder there is no file. Okay, I have saved the file abcd inside this new folder and there is no file, so it has deleted. Now again if I run it, so it says error in deletion as it has already deleted, so it says error in deletion. Okay, so this is a remove function by which you can delete or remove any file present inside your system. And we have also learned if the file is present inside any other folder, so you can specify the path here directly. And so that is it for today's video. In the next video we will learn some more operations on file handling. In the next video we will learn about if error function, which is very important function in file handling. So until then, goodbye.